If your gallery videos are not playing in your Android device, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first thing first, this might be a glitch in your gallery application itself. Try restarting your device. Long press onto your power key, then simply tap on restart and restart your device. Now even if the restarting your device did not solve the problem, you have to launch your settings. Scroll all the way below, tap on apps. Here, type in gallery. Once you see your gallery, open it. Here at this page, tap on permissions. Make sure everything is allowed, like your notifications, camera, and photos and videos. Now come back onto app info page, tap on storage, and then clear the cache. Once you do so, you also have to tap on force stop and then OK. Now once you have cleared the cache of gallery section, this might hopefully work. If it's still not working, then just give it some time, couple hours, and this shall work.